3D Wheel Alignment Stand. When it comes to car care, wheel alignment plays a much bigger role than most people realize. A properly aligned vehicle isn't just safer on the road, it also prevents unnecessary tire wear, helping them last longer and saving you money over time. That's where the 3D Wheel Alignment Stand comes into play, giving mechanics a smarter, faster way to do this job. The secret is its advanced machine vision system. Using high-resolution cameras, the stand creates a detailed digital model of the car's suspension. This model is then instantly compared with a standard reference to reveal even the smallest misalignments. To guide the system, special targets are attached to the wheels, making the process simple and highly accurate. Unlike older alignment machines, this stand works immediately after installation, no calibration required. Plus, it's versatile enough to be used in shops with inspection pits or lifts. Of course, technology like this doesn't come cheap. Prices start at around $15,000, but for workshops that need speed, precision, and reliability, it's a powerful investment. Intervac Design Garage Vac. Cleaning the garage or car can feel like a chore, especially when a regular household vacuum just doesn't cut it. The Intervac Design Garage Vac solves that problem with a smart, space-saving design. This unit mounts directly on the wall, staying neatly out of the way while always being ready for use. At first, its 2.5-meter hose might seem too short to be practical, but here's the surprise. The hose stretches out to a full 11 meters, giving you the reach to clean even the farthest corners of your garage or driveway without hassle. The vacuum is built to handle serious messes, with a bag that can hold up to 3 kilograms of dirt and debris before needing to be emptied. It also comes equipped with a variety of attachments, including tools for cleaning your home and special brushes designed for your car's interior. With a starting price of around $250, the Intervac Garage Vac offers a durable, powerful, and convenient solution for anyone who wants to keep their garage and vehicle spotless without the bulk of a traditional vacuum.
Tool Pro Magnetic Pickup Tool. If you've ever dropped a bolt, nut, or screw into your car's engine bay, you know how frustrating it can be. Those little parts always seem to roll or bounce into the tightest spots where your hands can't reach. That's where the Tool Pro Magnetic Pickup Tool comes in. It's designed to save you time and stress by fishing out lost metal parts quickly and easily. The tool comes with a flexible wire shaft that bends and twists, allowing you to guide it into narrow spaces between engine components. At the tip is a strong magnet that locks onto screws, nuts, or other small metal pieces, pulling them out with zero hassle. The handle is made of molded plastic, giving you a comfortable and secure grip while working. It's a small investment, around $23.
Wheel roller. Not every invention has to be high-tech to be useful, and the wheel roller is the perfect proof of that. This clever little stand is designed for one specific purpose, making it easier to work with your wheels. Whether you're washing your tires before putting them away for the winter, cleaning off stubborn dirt, or getting ready to remove alloy wheels, the wheel roller saves you the hassle of holding and turning the wheel by hand. The design is simple but smart, a solid maple bar paired with 2 durable rollers mounted on steel plates. You just place the wheel between the rollers, give it a spin, and it rotates smoothly, letting you clean or inspect every angle without any strain. To suit different vehicles, the wheel roller comes in several versions for various wheel diameters, so you'll always find the right fit. Prices start around $250, with premium versions going up to about $328. For car owners who like things neat and efficient, this small tool makes a surprisingly big difference.
PowerTech Dent Puller Kit. Car dents may look small, but they can ruin the overall appearance of your vehicle. Instead of rushing to a repair shop, the PowerTech Dent Puller Kit offers a professional-grade solution right in your own garage. The kit is available in 2 versions, hidden under the product codes 92674 and 92676. The first version includes a compact hammer with 5 interchangeable heads, giving you the flexibility to handle different dent sizes and shapes. The second option is a complete 34-piece set, equipped with everything needed to take on even complex bodywork. For added convenience, you can pair it with a special glue gun and a fast-acting adhesive remover, making the job quicker and cleaner. With these tools, dents can be repaired neatly and efficiently without damaging the original paint. The hammer kit costs around $117, while the full 34-piece set is priced at $248.
Car Bench UL300. The Car Bench UL300 is a smart hydraulic lift designed for garages and small workshops where space is limited. Unlike bulky, permanently installed lifts, this one is built to be compact and portable. When folded down, it sits at just 10 centimeters tall, making it easy to store without cluttering your floor. But don't let its slim size fool you. When fully extended, it raises your car to a comfortable standing height, giving you plenty of room to work underneath. The lift offers more than 10 adjustable height settings, so it can handle a wide variety of passenger cars. Its restraining bar also adjusts to match the width of your vehicle, ensuring a snug and safe fit. Operation is simple thanks to the remote control system, and for extra precision, you can make fine adjustments by tightening bolts at key points. Durable, versatile, and highly reliable, the UL300 is built for professionals and car enthusiasts alike. While you won't find it in every store,
Schneider Air Systems REM 160-8 WOF. If you're looking for an air compressor that's easy to move, compact, and powerful, the Schneider Air Systems REM 160-8 WOF might be exactly what you need. Unlike traditional bulky compressors, this model is incredibly lightweight at just 8.5 kilograms, so it won't take up unnecessary space in your garage and can be carried around for on-site projects without hassle. Don't let the size fool you, it packs a maximum pressure of 8 bars, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. From inflating tires to handling small paint jobs or powering pneumatic tools, this compressor is designed to deliver reliable performance. Schneider also made it very user-friendly. A QR code is printed directly on the unit, giving instant access to the manual, so you'll never be stuck searching for instructions. Plus, it comes with a handy mounting bracket, making storage neat and effortless. With a price tag of about $612, this
Kinchrome Torque Wrench, K830 model. Not every bolt or screw can just be tightened by feel. Some need exact torque to ensure safety and reliability. That's why mechanics rely on torque wrenches, and the Kinchrome K830 makes the job easier than ever. Designed with accuracy in mind, this tool helps you hit the perfect tightness without overdoing it. The K830 comes with an adjustable scale ranging from 40 to 300 Newton meters, covering a wide variety of jobs from automotive work to heavy machinery. Once you hit the exact torque you've set, the wrench gives you 2 unmistakable signals: a sharp click and a protruding indicator pin. With both sound and visual confirmation, mistakes become almost impossible, even when you're working quickly. Lightweight yet durable, the Kinchrome Torque Wrench is built to handle tough daily use while keeping precision at the forefront. And at just $24, it's an affordable, must-have tool for any garage or workshop. SCA Parts Washer. Anyone who has worked on their car knows this. What starts as a quick oil change can suddenly turn into a dirty, time-consuming job. Greasy bolts, clogged filters, and oily parts pile up fast, and trying to clean them with a rag never really works. That's where the SCA Parts Washer comes in handy. This compact yet powerful washer is built to handle exactly that mess. It features a 60-liter tank designed to hold a water-based cleaning solution, making it safer and less harsh than chemical cleaners. A flexible spout pumps out up to 3 liters of solvent per minute, giving you a steady flow to flush away stubborn dirt and grime. To make things even easier, the washer has a graded bottom that keeps small nuts, bolts, or clips from slipping away while you clean. And since the reservoir, pump, and sink are all built into one unit, it's super convenient to set up in any garage. At $253, the SCA Parts Washer is a smart investment for anyone who wants cleaner parts, less mess, and a more efficient workspace. DIY Hydraulic Trolley Jack. This invention isn't from a big brand or workshop. It's a homemade hydraulic trolley jack, built entirely by hand in someone's garage. From the very first bolt to the final weld, everything was custom made as a one-off project. The design is simple but clever. Two strong metal beams are joined by a bolt, while a hydraulic piston does the heavy lifting. With this setup, the jack can raise a vehicle by up to 60 centimeters. To make it practical in everyday use, the builder added small wheels so it can easily slide under a car, just like a store-bought model. And here's the impressive part. He tested it on both a Toyota Hilux pickup and a Land Cruiser 200 SUV. Each of these vehicles weighs close to 3 tons, which is a serious challenge for any lifting device. For safety, he didn't extend the piston to its maximum height under that much weight, but still, being able to raise a Land Cruiser with a homemade jack is no small feat. It's a perfect example of how skill, engineering knowledge, and a bit of creativity can turn a garage project into something that rivals professional equipment. AIM Tools 2-pack steel car ramps. If you've ever struggled to reach tight spots under your car, the AIM Tools 2-pack steel car ramps could be your perfect solution. Designed for strength and reliability, these ramps can support vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, so even something as massive as a Hummer H1 can rest safely on top. That makes them just as practical for everyday sedans and hatchbacks as they are for larger SUVs and trucks. One of their smartest features is the gentle slope, which allows low-clearance cars to climb without scraping bumpers or undercarriage parts. Once positioned, the ramps give you a secure, elevated workspace ideal for inspecting the crankcase, changing oil, or performing other underbody tasks. The ramps also use a manual hydraulic system operated with a crank. This simple design follows the golden rule: fewer moving parts mean fewer chances of failure. Each ramp weighs 36 kilograms, offering rock-solid stability, and the pair is priced at $222. Garage side parking sensor. Parking in a small garage or a tight space can be tricky, especially when your car's own sensors don't pick up obstacles properly. That's where the garage side parking sensor comes in handy. This simple but effective gadget is designed to keep both your car and your garage walls safe from accidental bumps and scratches. The device attaches directly to your garage wall or door. As soon as your fender or side mirror gets too close, it immediately alerts you with a beep and a flashing red light. This warning gives you just the right amount of time to stop before making contact. It runs on 4Ah batteries, but if you don't want to keep replacing them, you can easily power it with a USB-connected external battery. Installation is straightforward with the included screws and brackets, so no need for professional help. At only $32, it's a small investment that can save you from costly paint repairs and unnecessary stress every time you park. Slime Garage Air Inflation Station. Flat tires, low air pressure, or inflatable gear needing a quick boost. These are everyday problems most people face. The Slime Garage Air Inflation Station is designed to make those moments hassle-free. This smart little device, also known as the Slime 470 Mini Compressor, mounts directly on your garage wall and plugs into a regular outlet. It's always ready to use, but never in the way. The unit comes with a 6-meter-long hose, long enough to reach every tire on your car with ease. At the nozzle, there's a built-in pressure gauge, so you can monitor the exact pressure level and avoid overinflating. That means peace of mind whether you're working on your car, motorcycle, or bicycle. But it doesn't stop at vehicles. This compressor can also handle scooters, trailers, gardening equipment, sports balls, pool floats.
Ryco Flexible Funnel. Changing engine oil can sometimes feel like a messy battle, especially when the oil filter is hidden in a tight, awkward spot. A great example is the Chevrolet Colorado, where draining oil without spills is almost impossible. The Ryco Flexible Funnel, designed by the Australian manufacturer Ryco, is made to solve exactly that problem. The RST300L model is built from a durable, bendable material that lets you shape it into either a tube or a gutter, so the oil flows neatly where you want it. At 55 by 20 centimeters, it's compact enough to keep in your glove box but large enough to handle real garage work. Built to last for years, this funnel can withstand tough use in any workshop, though you might want to keep it away from curious pets, since it could double as a chew toy in their eyes.
Gladiator Gear Track Packs. For many people, the garage is the most cluttered spot in the house. Tools like wrenches, hammers, and screwdrivers end up tossed into corners. Wires, guitars, and even amplifiers often get stacked on top of each other, creating more chaos than storage. But then there are those garages that look neat, tidy, and professional, thanks to the Gladiator Gear Track system. The Gear Track Pack is essentially a wall-mounted panel system that comes with a variety of customizable hooks. These panels are available in standard or extra-large sizes, and the hooks are designed to suit just about any storage need. From simple J-hooks for light tools to double hooks for bigger items, and even heavy-duty hooks that can hold something as solid as a dumbbell, the system is built to handle it all. Installing it is straightforward, too, thanks to its self-tapping screws, which make the panels strong and secure. Garage door lighting. At first, it may sound unbelievable, but it's real. In the US, inventors have created and patented a garage door that doubles as a massive light source. When you open the door, it transforms into a 14,400 lumen lamp, bright enough to flood the entire garage with light. The design is both simple and smart. As the garage door opens, a flexible panel slides under the roof, and a row of lamps built into the base activates. This eliminates the need for extra ceiling fixtures, dangling bulbs, or complicated wiring. With this system, you get bright, even lighting every time you lift the door. Another big advantage is efficiency. The system runs on low-voltage lights, so your energy bills won't spike. And since there are no switches or wires to fuss with, it's hassle-free to use. According to the official website, this futuristic garage upgrade is priced at around $330. The only drawback? When the door is closed, the lights stay off. Still, for anyone looking to combine practicality with innovation. Ergo Chair. Working on cars isn't always kind to your back or knees, especially when you're constantly bending, kneeling, or lying on the cold garage floor. That's where the Ergo Chair steps in. It's not just a chair, but a versatile workstation designed especially for mechanics and car lovers. The seat is height adjustable, meaning you can set it low, just 12 centimeters from the ground, to slide under a car, or raise it up to 53 centimeters for jobs that require more height. Even better, the Ergo Chair can transform into a creeper, letting you roll smoothly under vehicles without straining yourself. But comfort isn't its only strength. The chair is also practical, featuring 3 built-in drawers to store nuts, bolts, and washers, and a strong magnetic strip that keeps your tools, like an adjustable wrench, always within easy reach. No more wasting time searching the floor for misplaced parts. With a sturdy frame that can hold up to 159 kilograms, this chair is built to last.
Laser Tools Coolant System Flusher. After a long highway drive, giving your car's exterior a quick wash is great, but the real trouble often hides inside the cooling system. Over time, dirt, rust, and deposits build up in the radiator and hoses, slowing down coolant flow and putting extra stress on the engine. The Laser Tools Coolant System Flusher is designed to tackle that problem directly. This handy tool connects straight to the radiator and uses running water to flush out harmful buildup. If a stronger push is needed, just squeeze the trigger handle to boost the pressure for a deeper clean. The smartly designed rubber nozzle can fit 5 different hose sizes, which means it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from everyday cars to older classics and even rare collector models. Simple, reliable, and effective,